Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video in the View into Huck's World. And ladies, we have a special treat for you. DW has hand created some special watch faces just for you. I'm telling you, you're gonna like these. And listen, you need to tell your girlfriends, I need some more views. Spread these watch faces out amongst the crowd. Guys, you might like these watch faces for your ladies. So listen, stay tuned, check them out, judge them for yourself. Hey, what's up ladies? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, we got an awesome lineup for you today. We got 3 watch faces in all that we want you to check out by DW. Now, I'm talking to DW right now, waiting on a response. I'm trying to get you ladies some free watch faces, so stay tuned. If I do a video on it, listen, make sure you check out the giveaway videos to see if your name is the one that's going to be called. Cool? All right, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off because I'm liking this one especially. I'm a guy and I'm telling you, I think this watch face is awesome. Now, the name of the watch face is called DW08 Ladies Watch Face. Now, I like the creation of this watch face already. I like the design. I like the detailing of this watch face as well, in spite of the fact that it is a woman's watch face, right? But in the always on mode, it really, really looks awesome. I like it in this mode just as well as I do when the watch face is on. Now, when you do cut the watch face on, this is what you're greeted with. You got a clock that's pretty much to the right hand side of the watch, and it's got Roman numerals for the index, and you get your steps on the inside. You also got a second hand that sweeps around, very elegant looking, and it is an active, so if you tap on the steps, you can get your step info. I'm liking that. If I double tap down here on this last flower, I can get my apps. And if I double tap right here on this flower, I can customize the color of the flowers. And I thought that DW definitely did a great job on this one. You get a few on all to check out, and you can tap on your heart rate and get info. And ladies, you have been asking for a beautiful watch face that was interactive, that had your steps that you can tap into, and this watch face definitely delivers. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is just as beautiful, ladies. You're gonna like this one as well. The name of it is called Flowers Ladies Watch Face. Now, as you look at it, of course, you get a clock, and it has a second sweeping hand, has a nice analog look. You get your info for your steps, your heart rate, and your date, and it is interactive, so if you single tap, it will take you right off into it, and it works. I'm telling you, this is beautiful. This is what you ladies have been asking for, and you got everything you could possibly need right here to get to at a tap. Now, also, if I double tap right here, I can change the look of the watch face just by double tapping, and you get quite a few. I believe it's 8 in all, if I'm not mistaken, but they're all beautiful. Check it out, right? What are you gonna wear this with, ladies? All right, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts at the end of the video about all these watch faces, and spread the word about the beauty that DW has created. Let's check out watch face. Last but not least, ladies, number 3. Now, number 3 is just as awesome, right? Check it out. The name of the watch face is called DW07 Ladies Watch Face. It's a 12-hour, 24-hour watch face, just like the rest of them. And in the always on mode for the Gears 2 and the Gears 3, it looks just as nice. But the beauty is when the watch face is on all day. Now let's look at the elephant in the room that stands out a lot. Look around the bezel of the watch. Now you got this animation that's going in reverse. It's not going with the grain. And then you got a rotating second hand that's going around the watch that looks very, very unique. I'm liking this look. Now, if you look at the time, it's digital. It's not analog, which is even nicer, very different. Now, I like the font of this as well. Tuesday is kind of written out. You also get your date and your year. You come down, ladies, for what you've been asking for. You still can go in and get your heart rate info, your calories burned, and your steps. And yes, it is interactive. All you got to do is single tap on it, and it'll come right up for you. I thought that was very nice. And you can also go here, go into your settings, and double tap, and I can change the look and theme of the watch face altogether. And you can tie this in with whatever you're wearing for that day, ladies. Again, what are you going to tie this into? Yes, very nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, you all. That's going to be it for this video. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm still waiting on the response from DW. So if you see a video come up for a giveaway, listen, make sure you check it out. And in order to participate in the giveaway, you have to comment on the videos. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button because it really, really helps my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.